I'm actually waiting for my husband. We want to film our Q&A. That should have been up by now. But I'm about to. I just hope this hair. God, it did not work. Oh, God. Baby, this did not work. Oh.
What did not work?
My hair. I will shall use it for this video. Come watch me. It's not me that this hair go shame. What is this? After suffering.
Say no work.
It don't work now.
She's supposed to stand or something.
Is it rolling?
Oh, yeah.
Now vanity now.
Do something.
Before I will shall use it for this video. I've already set up everything. It's running the man.
The man.
And you are here. Please brush your hair fast too. Let's start up. I'm not even done. God, women. Oh my, this is a disappointment too. That church will go really go and late today.
Where?
See your hairbrush here. Where? You want to ask me where is your brush? So guys, we're actually done. This is the best this hair could give. This is supposed to be a curly hair, and then this place is just going to be like this ball. We're going to start off now. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Hi guys.
So, no, we have not started though. So let me start it now. Oh. Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. It is actually like a few days after the whole anniversary thing I did, and I've been telling myself that I really have to start posting back consistently. I don't know why I don't even know what is happening. I just don't have the zeal to vlog anymore. I don't know. That's just showing me that if I get like there's a stage in my life I'll get to, like there's the kind of money I will see, content creation is not going to even be it again. But then that's not the purpose of this video. I'm starting off this vlog today because I want to vlog today. I still have my nails on from my anniversary. I've been carrying it to work. I just had to cut it half. I mean, it looks like my natural nails. The Nigerian nursing system is just so bizarre in the sense that, you know, abroad you see somebody wearing a whole full lash to work. You see people having nose piercing. You see people doing real makeup. You see people with nails, like not short nails like this, like reasonable length of nail, not too long, but you will know it's nails. You will know it's an artificial nails. But here in my country, even when you wear chain, normal chain to work, your matron is going to be looking at, or your senior colleagues, they're just going to be looking at you like, madam, this thing that you're doing, you know, is weird. There are things that you do that just seems weird. Nursing in Nigeria is so hard. I don't know. I think the problem majorly is from the matron. You know how those days in government secondary school, your teachers don't want you to plait your hair just because they don't want you to be competing with them. I just feel like some matrons are actually like that, especially when you're working in a government setting. Some matrons are so... There was a time that I dyed my hair. I dyed my hair color like it was still very shiny. The woman just cornered me to one place and she was telling me that, do you know that this hair you dyed now is not part of the nursing ethics? I was like, I was just trying to understand the information, process it in my head. I just thought, okay, no problem. I had to just pack the hair to make that part not too visible. Anyways, I had to cut my fingers this way, and I told myself I was going to remove it, but I told myself that I beg, this is not bad. I mean, it's very, very short. It's very, very short. I wear gloves to do almost all the procedures I want to do, especially when I want to maybe do something very bizarre. I wear gloves, so God. Anyways, Today is a good day. I've been craving yam. I've been craving yam, whether roasted yam, fried yam. Actually, I've been craving yam for the longest of time, and I think I want to satisfy that craving of mine today. I want to make yam porridge. I got yam yesterday. I got vegetable. I got everything I'll be needing for this recipe, for this food, not recipe. So I'll be making it today. Today I am working, but I'm working at night. So I'm just deciding to start up this vlog this morning. And then let me see how today is going to be productive for myself. My husband is also in the house. He didn't go to work. So we're just going to do this together. And yeah, that's basically it. So if you've not subscribed already to my channel, subscribe to my channel so that we can get to the permanent site on this channel. See you guys later. So I planned on going out with my friends today, but then unfortunately for, I don't know if it's unfortunately for me or unfortunately for them, they disappointed me and they're all busy, so that plan was cancelled. Now I am at home. I am hopeless. I am just here sitting all by myself. I'm about to go to somewhere that tastes good. I want to get some things. I want to go to a supermarket that is close by to me. I want to get cheese balls and one or two snack, one or two chocolates, because let me just forget about my sorrow for once. So let's just go. So this is me satisfying my craving. I know, guys, don't worry, don't advise me in the comment though. I know it's not good for me. I know. But let me just enjoy it. And then I have my Schweppes here. This virgin mojito. I love this drink a lot.